Yeah, me like it. Every time you wake up, stunning with no makeup. Me like it. How you call my name up?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chippin, and today's recipe is gonna be garlic lobster tail. And this recipe here is just simple and delicious. It's quick to make. So what I'm gonna, of course, you will need your lobster, and you're gonna need to season them too. So I have me here Adobo all-purpose seasoning, some garlic powder right here, some cayenne pepper for the kick of it, minced garlic. You can use the regular garlic and chop them up. Yeah. Himalayan salt, and of course, salted butter. You all know what time it is. It's about to go down. Let's get cooking. So normally, this is how you would want to cut your lobster tail. With the scissors, you cut it right from the end here. All right, and then you keep going. But I realized that when I got this from the store, they already cut it for me. As you can see, they already cut it. All right, and I'm so thankful for that. This is the first time I've seen this. So all I got to do now is just carefully take it apart. Try not to hurt yourself, so we can bring the meat out and put it on top. Yeah, man, gradually pull the meat on top of it, like so. Yeah, just like that. So there you have it. It's all done. Just look at it. Done cleaning our lobsters. What I'm gonna do is start seasoning them. All right. So with my adobo, and make sure when you season, you actually get the bottom of it or the other side, whatever you choose to call it. Yep, like so. So it's gonna be the same for the rest of the seasoning. Yeah, there we go. Here comes our cayenne pepper. I mean, just a little bit. You don't want to overpower the original flavor of the lobster. And then the final touch is our salt. That's it. So now that we're done with marinating our lobster, we're gonna leave it to sit, and then we're gonna start with our garlic butter. So I have me here butter, salted butter. Then here comes our minced garlic. At this stage, you will not want to melt your butter yet, all right? And then some parsley. So with our spoon, we're gonna try to mix it all together, right? Like some sort of mash it. So let's mash it and try to get it all together. It's gonna need some work, but trust me, it's worth it. Yep, like so. I think we all done. Cut it. So now that we're done with our garlic butter, what we're gonna do is just try to coat this lobster with it. You don't want to put too much because remember, we're not trying to overpower the actual taste of this lobster here. You put some underneath it. And we're gonna move to the next one. Because remember, once the butter melts, it's gonna spread all over your lobster. And that's exactly what you want.
Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up.
So now that we're done coating the garlic butter on the lobster, we're gonna put it in the oven for about from 10 to 15 minutes. It depends on the size of your lobster. I'm sure 10 minutes with this one is gonna be good. And then we're ready for the next step.
Be my heartbreak, be my one-on-one, be my only one, you're my only love. Be my heartbreak, be my one-on-one, be my only.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, after 10 minutes, our lobster is done. Just look at this joint. Look, just come here, just come look. Take a look. You'll see that? You'll see that juicy, right? I know y'all love that. This is what I'm talking about. So now we're done with everything. There's our garlic butter lobster tail right here. What I'm gonna do is assemble the food. I'm gonna have this with some mashed potatoes and some side vegetables saute that I made. What else can I say? It's about to go down.
Like I work in finance. God bless, no, this not by chance. Don't dab me, you're not my man. Don't at me, you're not my man. Mama said don't buy it if you cannot buy it twice.
This here is just onions, mushrooms, green onions, the rest of the garlic butter.
Ellos no la quieren, 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 quieren. Ellos no la quieren, 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 quieren. Body moving, quieren, 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 quieren. She can do it, quieren, 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 quieren. Ooh, so wild tonight. Waist beats are in motion round our body. When you do it slowly, you take me for a ride, yeah. I go see you through together, baby. You scatter the streets.
Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Food is all done. Lobster is all done. My garlic butter lobster, you'll see that. I'm having it with some mashed potatoes. It's about to go down. Just look at this. This is heaven in all its glory. Just look at that. Look at that. This is what I mean when I say it's about to go down, baby. Yep. I know you see it.